Right, we are back. So you got your LLC, your insurance, you got your EIN, ready to rock and roll. So now the only thing you need is your MC numbers and your DOT numbers. And then you're ready to rock and roll. So let's go ahead and touch base about those very quickly. So you got your MC number, your motor carrier number, and your DOT number, which is your Department of Transportation number. So DOT number is used primarily to track a company's safety record and compliance score, and the MC number is more for this is what authorizes companies to transport certain commodities. And it seems kind of redundant, and I believe that moving forward they're going to make it so that you only need one, which would be the MC number. But as of right now, you still need both of them. So long story short, the DOT number is for safety and compliance tracking, and the MC number grants the legal authority to operate a for-hire carrier in interstate commerce. So you can go over here to this web page off the FMCSA and ask, do I need a US DOT number? And ask you questions. Are you a motor carrier transporting property or passengers in commerce? You hit yes. Interstate, interstate. So interstate means you're working interstate means you're going out of state. Intrastate means you're working within the state. Let's just say you're working in the state and right? So it says it right here. Do one or more of the following apply? If you carry any of these materials, yes or no. No, you don't need a DOT number. Yes, you go here. So ultimately, guys, if you end up getting your numbers by yourself, you're going to be taken to this webpage to fill out your application. But what a lot of people do is they go to outside services to have it done, like myself. So I had OIDA do it. Now, this is a couple of years ago. They charged me $600. There are other companies like Transportation Compliance Service that charges $200 to $2,500. And then there's freedotnumber.com. The DOT number is free, but then they charge you for the MC number or additional filing. So there's always a little give and take, guys. But if you want to do it yourself, I believe it's a couple $100 plus your time, but you want to make sure it's correct. The reason I went through OIDA at the time is because they had a whole compliance back end setup that they gave us access to as well, which was helpful at the time until I figured out how to set up my own. But to each their own, guys. This is what you need to operate a trucking company, whether you're doing the hot shots, whether you're doing a moving company, whether you're just moving goods for a couple different customers, you're going to need these numbers so that you can run. But once you get these, you're ready to rock and roll. So quick recap on this, right? You get your MC, get your DOT number, and then you're pretty much there, guys. Everything else is kind of like technicalities, but really you just need to get your IRP done, you get your registration done, you get your plates, and you're ready to roll. Everything else kind of falls together, and I'll review all these together at once. But that's it, guys. So those are 3 different sources that you can go to get this done for relatively inexpensive. And of course, if you have any more questions, feel free to join me on my school community, guys. I do a more thorough walkthrough of this, and I have support to make sure you guys are in the right hands to get this done. I have done this for some clients in the past, and I'm willing to walk anybody through who wants to know. I just need to know that you need that help. So let me know, guys. Darius Jones, Trucking Advocate, signing out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be safe out there.